Oh, hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Don't worry, this is actually empty. In this episode, let me show you how to make a smooth, less sweet, and then so easy to make ruby chocolate mousse. So this is another recipe that is so easy to make yet versatile. So you can incorporate it together with some compote, cake, costume to add some crunch in it. You can even add mirror glaze on top of it just to enhance the beauty of your mousse. You can use this mousse to make your own entremet. Plus, making your own mousse, you have the advantage of creating how sweet you want it to be, how more flavorful you want to be, how many you would like to make. So this is a very good way for you to save some money or even sell this. So without further ado, let's make our ruby chocolate mousse right now. To start off, add some of water into our gelatin. Use a spoon, mix it together, and of course, we're going to leave this to rest for 5 minutes just so that our gelatin will be able to absorb all the moisture it needed for it to be ready to be incorporated into our mousse. So here I have my ruby chocolate and my whipping cream. So both of these we are going to heat it. As for the ruby chocolate, we are going to melt it. I will be using the microwave for both of them. So be careful when you're using a microwave when melting the ruby chocolate, because ruby chocolate is quite sensitive, more sensitive than the darker chocolate because of its fluidity. So at a 30-second interval, use a spoon, stir it around first, and then put it back inside the microwave to melt further. Once the ruby chocolate is melted and the whipping cream is hot enough, we are going to add the whipping cream, the hot whipping cream, into our melted ruby chocolate in 3 batches. Mix it in between. And once all of the hot whipping cream is added into our ruby chocolate, we're going to add our rehydrated gelatin. Mix it again. And then leave it aside while we prepare our cold whipping cream. So for this part, super easy. We're just going to beat our whipping cream until it's light and fluffy like a cloud texture. And it's ready. Now we are going to take our ruby chocolate, pour it into our beaten, our fluffy whipping cream. Use a spatula, mixing them using the folding method because we do not want to lose the air that we have already incorporated into the whipping cream. So fold it gently. And basically our mousse is ready. but in my case I want to make it into a dome shape. So what I'm doing here is to take my silicone mold, add the mousse into each of the silicone mold cavities. You can use other molds. You have square, you have heart shape, whichever that you would like to use, whichever shape you like to have in your dessert. And then you're keeping this inside the freezer for at least 6 hours. Now another way you can use this mousse is to make into a trifle. So cake, mousse, some fruits, and there you go. And after the 6 hours is up, here I'm just showing you guys how does it look like, how smooth does it look like. And of course the taste is so smooth as well, it's just melted in the mouth. And I actually have so many ideas how to make use of this mousse. Another way you can use is to make your own glaçage rocher and pour it around, so you'll be enjoying it like you are eating ice cream, Magnum ice cream. Or you can enjoy it together with your favorite nuts, pecans, hazelnuts, peanuts, whichever that you prefer to be served together with your chocolate mousse. Oh my god, it's just so good. And that's the end of this episode of making an easy homemade ruby chocolate mousse. Of course, you can change to other types of chocolates as well, from white chocolate to dark chocolate and milk chocolate. So it's up to you. It's your dessert. Don't forget to check out my previous videos if you haven't, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!